Welcome. If you want to get live fluid wallpaper on your Motorola Moto E7 Plus, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, click in the search pool and type Magic Fluids. And we have to get this up from the Mad Scientist. Right now we can open. So here is the preview how this wallpaper will be looks on your screen. But of course, if you want to set it up like that, you have to click right here to set as a live wallpaper and click here one more time. But if you want to customize this wallpaper, because it is possible, you have to enter here, then click on the accept. If you click here, you are able to change the paint quality, simulation resolution, and also shadow quality by tapping right here and select one of the following option. We can also go for the presence and we can change the theme of this wallpaper. So for example, we can go maybe for this one. Click yes, and when you go back, you will see that this theme looks a little bit different, right? So let's get it. So tap to set as a wallpaper, and as you can see here we are with our with our beautiful live wallpaper on the Motorola Moto E7 Plus. I hope that I help you, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.